Okay, this is the next build and I wanted to do something completely different from Mario. So I'm doing Leonardo da Vinci's flying machine, which is kind of awesome. There we go, there's the box. It's set number 10363. It's got 493 pieces, age 18 plus. And it is $49.99, so $50 basically. Measurements are quite good actually. It stands 25 centimeters tall or 10 inches tall, 35 centimeters wide with the wingspan, which is 13.5 inches. So I kind of like this. I like the Leonardo da Vinci minifigure as well, because no doubt it's going to be exclusive to this set in the future. But there you go, there's the back, showing you that the wings do actually move. So I'm looking forward to building this. Let's see if there's anything in the description that is different. So like, explore the historic and artistic ingenuity with the Lego Icons Leonardo da Vinci's flying machine building set for adults. Okay. Spread your creative wings. Craft a detailed model of Da Vinci's visionary ornithopter, complete with an attachable Leonardo da Vinci minifigure. Kill. Authentic replica model. Craft a detailed replica of Da Vinci's visionary design. Flappable wings, driven by a visible interplay of string, hinges and pulleys. And then a captivating centerpiece. It looks like it has its own stand. Yes, it does. Display stand, so that's cool. I'm looking forward to building this. This is one I will keep and definitely keep on display. But there you go. Let's have a look inside the box. Oh, back 1 and 2. I thought I'd do the introduction to this so that I can build it at my leisure. There we go. Right, so we've got no stickers there. We have got, those will be the wings, no doubt. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we got 4 bags, so that's cool. I have no doubt whatsoever there will be some write-up on this. Yes, there will be. So we got one manual there. There's the manual, front of it. And then on the inside, I'm sure it'll have information. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Imitating the flight of birds. So let's have a look, see, I'll show you that. So there's the first page. This one is about the designer or the design team, which is awesome. So you can pause that and have a look. And that's that, straight into the build. Oh well, there's, you know, at least there's 2 pages of info. One of the most famous people in the world ever. 2 pages, really? Okay. Could have been a little bit more information, but I digress. Right, so wings to one side. Bag 1, let's have a look, see what we've got. One little bag. And that's that. Good new tool, because I've been using the same one for quite a long time. And then we've got a small bag here, which has got excuse me, sorry for coughing, I have to turn that down on the video. Right, and then we've got the little pieces there, so that is rather cool. This is primarily black parts apart from a couple of brown, so that'll be good fun building that. Alright, thanks very much. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you very much for all your support. I really do appreciate it. I know I always say it, but I do mean it. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you when I've built bag 1 and I'll show you what I've got. I've got a feeling it's a display stand, but we'll see. Thanks for watching this. See you in a minute.
A few moments later.
Wow is all I can say. Just wow. This has to be one of the best Lego sets that I built at this kind of scale. Really surprised me how much I enjoyed this. This is really cool. I'm going to show you this, the actual action, which is just I mean, look at that. That is just awesome. The way this is working, the mechanism, you've got all sorts going on here. Strings, you've got springs, you've got levers. It's just so cool. I could sit here and do this all day long. But this is just awesome. I love it. Really, really love it. Okay, I'm going to stop doing this because I could do this all day. Right, okay, so let's show you around. We firstly got, there is Leonardo da Vinci, which is very, very cool. He's got a drawing of the actual flying machine in his hand and his quill that he's used to draw that picture. There is a video online on the Lego page of him and this machine and the machine flying off, and it's really, really cool. The stand is awesome to display it on. I have to do it. I just can't resist. That's from the side. As you can see, I'm pulling this lever here. This is connected to strings here, here, going up, and then they go here, which pulls down the wing on both sides. And then this piece of string here is connected also to this, which moves this up and down. Sorry, this moves this up and down. So you've got a string here for the wings, and you've got a string at the back, and it's all connected to this one lever. I thought this is very, very clever, the way they've done this. So yeah, awesome set, awesome. This is going to be displayed and kept, definitely 100%, and it's going to look so cool on my shelf somewhere amongst all my Lego stuff. But yeah, this is one of my favorites. I really, really enjoyed this. It's just the way they've done it. I don't know if I can show you everything, but if you look, there's all the mechanism. So you pull this and you can see it pulling the back string and the front strings, which is operating the wings and the tail. So very, very cool. I'm not sure how long this string will last if I keep doing this, but there you go. One awesome set. The wings are like a paper, kept in with these studs, which is awesome. Finishes it off nicely, and I'll just do a little 360 for you. I'm going to do it manually. I have got the little motor, but it's not so good. I need to sort that out still, but there you go. There's a 360, and the Leonardo figure looks very, very cool. And the little plaque on the front, this is printed, which is nice. Just a simple color scheme, but with a mechanism that is blowing my mind right now. Seeing when this is coming together, it's like, oh, what's that for? What's this for? As it comes together, it's just incredible. But anyway, I'll stop saying 110% things about this. This is just awesome. Hope you enjoyed seeing the finished product. Let me know if you got this, and if after watching this you might actually buy it. I mean, for the price, I think this is just incredible, and it's an amazing piece of history. That's the other thing, it's like a bonus, you know. So anyway, there you go. Thumbs up from me, big thumbs up from me, and I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this one. Smash the like button, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.